have ventured into unknown lands. I see a volcano, a jungle.
Hey, what's the big idea, Soar?
Captain's log supplemental. I see a dinosaur. Run!
Hey, hold your horses, Soars. The name's Stompers. And these are my Stompers. And I'm no dinosaur. I'm a Stylosaur.
Your name is Stompers and your shoes are called Stompers?
What do you call them where you come from?
Shoes?
Oh,
I'm Doodle Girl, by the way.
very good.
Stomper, your sticker, shoe, Stomper is falling off.
Whoa! It's hopeless. My Stompers won't stay stuck. If I can't keep them on, I'll never be able to compete in the style-off. I'm a fraudosaur.
Well, maybe I could help. What's a style-off?
Duh. A style-off is how Stylosaurs prove they're the styliest. Asaur. Go-go. Go-go? The style-off isn't till later. What are you doing here?
Oh, you know, I just thought I'd have a little ramble around the jungle. See and be seen. What tragic stompers. You really should spend less time making new friends and more time styling.